We're doing an unboxing today. What is this, Gary?
It's a new Traxxas Stampede. Self-writing. Self-writing.
There's the old Stampede. What's left of it? We're gonna get it back going, but like we got a new one here. Gary's about to unbox it here.
So you're gonna unbox it. Well, I got some spare parts.
Gary likes to break them and then Frankenstein them all together. That's our style here. Look at that!
There it is.
The old Stampede!
100 preliminaries.
You got new batteries and everything for it.
So now, I got the blue. Folks. You gotta plug this in here. Come on, they do this. This the blue. I got the blue. Millennium 3, Millennium 3500. Top qualifier. And one box. And there she is. Clip. 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 And there she is, folks. A Traxxas Stampede. Alright, well that's unboxed. Here's the top. By Traxxas.